Happy birthday, Hazy! Bailang Gabatik, Hazy! Happy birthday from us, from bar manager here, Daniel, from Rock. And be happy and eat a lot of pancit.
Hello, Hazy! Lots of kids full of love, 2 years old. Big greetings from a friend of Papa. We are here now navigating, working so hard, but with the heart on you. Thank you so much. See you. Happy birthday! Woo!
Happy birthday, Hazy! Congratulations! I'm from David from Mexico. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Hazy. Happy birthday. I hope you will be a grand man like your grandfather. I'm John from Albania. I wish you all the best. Që kemi Hazy, unë jam Johnny nga Shqipëria, të uroj të gëzuar ditë e lindjen, bëhu një burr I mirë si qysh jo. Happy birthday.
Hazy, happy birthday. May God grant you many more years to come and grant you many more blessings.
Happy second birthday, Hazy Pot!
Love ka ni Mami La.
Godden, I love you.
Happy birthday. Be a
Happy
good girl.
Hi Hazy, happy second birthday. Be a good girl kasi big girl ka na. Laging matatandaan, love na love ka ni Mama.
Happy birthday to our little sweetie Hazy. May your birthday be wonderful and full of surprises. God bless you and God loves you.
Happy birthday, Hazy! Have a lovely day. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Chef.
Happy birthday, Hazy! Mahal na mahal ka ni Lolo Morak. Kaibigan kami rito ni Lolo Morak. Katrabaho. Thank you. Enjoy.
Yo! Guillaume! Yo! Happy birthday, Hazy! Chill!
Hey baby Hazy! Happy birthday! Lolo Rock is always here for you. Take care, bye-bye!
Hazy, tanti auguri di buon compleanno. Ciao!
Hello Hazy, how are you? Happy birthday. Enjoy. Be a good girl. Mr. Rock love you. Be a nice girl. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you, Hazy! Happy birthday! Ciao, ciao!
Hazy, happy birthday. God bless you.
Hello Hazy, I just want to say happy birthday to you. With all my heart and many people from this company is wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hey Hazy, how are you? I'm Barry. I'm from Spain. Congratulations and happy birthday to you. Feliz cumpleaños y te deseo todo lo mejor del mundo. Blessed.
Hazy, happy birthday, beautiful girl. Your father now bring one beer for your account. What to say more, I don't know.
Hello Hazy, nice to meet you. My name is Enzo Clymer. I'm here on board MSC Bellissima working with your great-grandfather, Carner Gonzalez, better known as Rock. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday, that you have a good time with your family. I know that your grandfather is a very good person, a strong person, good. He has helped me, guided me here because I'm a new person here in this ship, but I just want to wish you a happy birthday and hope that you turn out to be a great person just as him. Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Essie. Lola loves you.
Daisy! Magpakabait ka, katulad ng lolo mo. More birthdays to come! Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Hazy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Hazy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Hazy. Ciao. Hey you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Hazy. Happy birthday to you.
Hazy. Hazy, feliz cumpleaños, pásala chévere, te deseo lo mejor, estoy con tu papá aquí, que está recordándote y deseándote siempre que seas muy feliz y pases muy feliz cumpleaños, te mando un abrazo.
Daisy, all the best! Ciao!
Happy birthday, Sunshine, my apo. Enjoy your birthday. Nakasama mo ang pamilya. Hiling ko lang sa birthday mo na maging mabuting bata, marespeto, naniniwala sa Panginoon at may pangarap. Maraming salamat at dumating ka sa pamilyang to. Ikaw ay isa sa mga inspirasyon ko. Kaya nagtatrabaho ako sa ibang bansa. Enjoy your birthday. Be cool. And be a good person. Pam, great rock. Carnor. Have fun your day. Ciao.